Today we are going to be, oh gosh, I'm lagging so bad. We ain't gonna be spotlighting Skibby vs. 2 for today. We are going to spotlight this game called Skibby Multiverse. And yeah, guys. So here I'm going to be showcasing how to get Zombie Titan, Speakerman, Secret Agent, and Alarm Clockman, which is the new So for Secret Agent, I just have to mute that, but I have to mute some of the audio. Serious? Since it's not copyright, I gotta also and the problem is I am trying to actually record on the jeez. I'm trying to record on the PC, but the thing is I gotta wait a while since I can't play Roblox on that since I got banned for no reason. And today it's gonna be unbanned. So for Secret Agent, you gotta go to the toilet facility. Go to this one room over here, and once you see that, you see the button called Pickup. Press Pickup, and it should grant you the badge. There you go. It just gave me the badge. Okay. So next one, I'll show you how to get Clockman and Drone in the next video. But today we are go. So the next one we need to get is Bell Clockman and Zombie Titan Speakerman. First, you actually gotta go and become TV woman. It's not just because I just want to. It's because it's important. Plus, it's recommended. Hello, Hydro Toilet. So, the recommended thing is that you need to detach your head. Go to big city. Teleport in this one location. Don't mind what happened here. Oh gosh, I'm lagging so bad. Don't worry, it should. The lag's multi-streamer is dancing. Now, recently. Okay, so Zombie Titan Spearman, I believe I cannot showcase that for a while since I believe they're working on him because I've been trying to see. It didn't work. So, first detach your head. Okay guys, I'm back, and yep, I just realized that they fixed the Titan Spearman, I believe, the Zombie Titan Spearman, because a while back his morph thing wasn't there. Okay, anyway, now let's go showcase Secret Agent first. Secret Agent time. Oh, I actually have all the badges in this game. We already have Elite Cameraman, Clockman, and the Drill Woman, and oh my voice hurts. Okay, I can see the abilities. Do not worry, I'll just load back once I load in. I'm back, and here it is. And why am I? Oh wait, there you go. For a minute I thought. So here it is. Run, walk, punch. Oh, I missed it. I think I broke it. Oh wow. Oh, my ears hurt from that. Jeez. Then we got teleport. Ooh. You can teleport anywhere, but I'm not gonna show you. Disappear. Oh, that's awesome. Why is the hair popping up though? Hey, a mutant is here. Then knife mode. Stab. No! I became invisible with the knife and my hair. Oh, you can literally just spam that. That's actually so cool. Anyway, next one is the new addition. And it's the Clockman. And let's see. Ooh. Here it is. Ooh, I really love this. I'm hoping to get the new Game Pass very soon in Ultimate Series B. But yep, we are showcasing that as well soon. Okay, so first, dance. Yeah. Celebration of getting the morph. Stop it from dancing. Run. It won't let me run now. Oh, never mind. Didn't fall. Now you can only do this once because I found out there's a glitch where If you even bother to try and use it again, it won't work. Okay, well now it's time for the finale. Infected Titan Speakerman. Let's see, and I think it's loading in. I'll just get back to you guys. Here is Infected Titan. Oh wait, no, not infected. I mean upgraded Titan Speakerman. Now the weird thing is, he has the R6 walk, which is weird. Running, which is pretty normal for the game. Why does he walk fast when he does No, what did I do wrong? Oh no, it's lagging. It's lagging very bad. Look at that. Oh, we even got Titan TV Man over here. Oh no 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 no. Come here, zombie. Zombie. Oh, he saw me. So first we got Flash. Ooh, I love that. Stop playing that. I'm showcasing this morph. Dance. Ooh yeah. I really love that. The dance actually looks good. Wave attack. Oh, I don't like that sound, bro. Then teeth. We also got the last one. The guy aimed at the Titan. I aimed at the building. But I like the particle effects. Anyway, that will be all for today. Yes, we are going to be showcasing Ultimate Super Art Don't worry. Okay, now that will be all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful.